no.
No.
No. That's not on. That's not on.
That's not on.
That's not on. But I'm talking about these two.
So Chaminda Vaas and Suraj Randeep being flown in,
Yes.
As
you know,
cover up.
as cover up
Cover up.
for the injured pair.
That's right.
What does that mean?
That means because the physio would have asked, because we can't get them tomorrow evening. We need to be them there before that, to at least to be with the team at practices. So we got them, those two in Mumbai, and they are practicing with the team. And like I said in the earlier, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We need to announce.
Is it only cover? Because let me ask His Excellency this. Tell me, Mr. Kariyavasam, you know, this Chaminda Vaas being flown in. Now, anybody who knows, you know, Chaminda Vaas is what, 37 or 38 now?
35.
35.
Say 35. You know, his
36.
last international game was in 2009. I think the only reason, and he's being flown in, is because he's successful against Sachin Tendulkar.
Possible.
Possible? Possible, Mr.
He's a
Kariyavas?
he's a good cricketer. He still has certain contribution to make, and like Sanath said, we are hedging our bets, and we need to have a backup. And I think team will decide on the day which team will play. And I think in our perception, Chaminda and Sanjeev can play well, but I think that's a decision that we will have to wait. I think we did not speculate at this point. Let's wait and see. But as we all know, Muthiah Muralidharan is a great fighter. He won't give up easily.
Yeah.
And 75% fit Muthiah is good enough, and he will do the job.
They'll play him.
Murali is going to play. My question is about Angelo, not Murali. That even like Trevor Bailey said in the press conference, he said, I'm not surprised that Murali is in the ground on the day of the match. That's Murali. 80% fit, he will put a strap, he will play. He will come and bowl.
Sure.
Even he 2 steps Arun, he will bowl.
Yes.
But only thing is when he fielding, he was struggling even the last game.
Yeah. Exactly.
Everybody have seen that.
Yes.
Everybody saw on that TV, he was struggling. But that's not a big issue for us. What we want is to get 2 good wickets from Indian side, from Murali. That's all we need. So if you can, if you can get in 75% fit man, 75% fit man getting 2 wickets from India, and give some extra fielding.
Bori.
Make it difficult. Don't give him a fielder.
Yes,
Don't
that's the
allow
point.
Muralidharan to go out of the ground after he bowls and allow him a substitute, as Arun said. He clearly said it. If Sanath can say that if he was captain of India, he would not give them a fielder. Don't give him a fielder.
But
No way.
Boria, but Arun, there are ways of
Exactly. So they'll do that in a way.
You can say
Tweak
right.
it around. He'll
No,
say
no.
it's a
Say, I
different
twist my
injury.
ankle.
No, but that is, you know, you can say you twist your ankle, but I know that you've had a hamstring injury, you had a side strain, you are injured.
Yeah, but
You've had a groin
but
problem,
now
you had
I'm
a
not-
troublesome.
now-
You know,
now-
one second. Sanath, 1 second. Sanath, come on. You can say tomorrow I have an eye problem. Or you can say I have a pain in my shoulder.
No, you can't do that.
No, you are
But
inventing an injury. The point is, you will be accused of inventing an injury to play around the rules. Arun,
Certainly would be.
who's going to investigate that? A very competitive Indian side should say, we want a medical examination
They should. They should.
of Muthiah Muralidharan's injury.
And ICC, there's a
You want
rule
an
there.
MRI.
We want an MRI, we want a CAT scan.
Arun, really, there is an ICC medical panel which has to
medical
examine.
panel.
So you can't
Arun,
do
what
that.
should be done? Then I'm going to Mihirda on this, yes.
No, listen, there's nothing, no
These
doubt in
two
my
teams.
mind that no captain would permit a
shouldn't.
substitute. It'll be left to the umpires. Can they get around it? But it wouldn't be that simple for somebody like Muralidharan to get a substitute. No, like you said,
Yes.
you can't invent an injury because that's not done.
But that is clearly, if I'm hearing Sanath,
That is what is being
I
planned.
think that is what is being planned by the Sri Lankans.
I doubt that would succeed.
No, we're
Sanath,
not
come on,
planning.
you
We are
know
not
something.
planning.
You
No,
know
no,
something.
I don't know anything, but I know that at least you can go during a match. You can go for 2-3 hours. You can go in and come. You can say anything about. You can say right. If I want to go and I need a change,
Yeah,
or you can go in for 2-3 hours and you can get treatment and come back.
Yes, but
Any player
but let me ask you this: if there was a similar situation and Sachin Tendulkar were to be in that situation, you know, and let's remember, this is big for Sachin and for Muralidharan. This is probably their last World Cup outing.
Yeah.
Not probably.
No, this is their last World Cup. There is no space for emotion. So Mihir Bose, if this situation happens,
Gentlemen,
and
I
they're
think you are
going to-
missing, gentlemen,
Yes, yes, Your Excellency, come in.
Gentlemen,
You
you are
made boss
missing
after
a
that.
po-
Yes.
yeah, there is a very important point that all of you miss about this.
Go on.
That is, I think this final is very important for both countries. Both will play the game very seriously, but it will be played in great spirit. India and Sri Lanka has played the game over the years with a great friendly spirit. In fact, I would like to term this encounter as a lovers' quarrel. And I think those issues will be sorted out by the team in a very
But
amicable manner. I don't
India,
think there will
somehow
be
the
a kind
India
of a-
wants to win this game.
I think
They are not go with spirit of the game now. The finals are not going to be spirit of the game. It will go out of the way and India wants to win.
Of course, Sri Lanka also wants to win.
That's right. That
Sir,
is why we are doing our
players know
tactics.
each other.
We can't go on the spirit of the game. We need to do something and we need to win that game.
Your Excellency,
No,
till
Arnab.
now you were speaking as a former first-class cricketer, but when you said lovers quarrel, then the diplomat in you came up. Yeah, but we are not going to be diplomatic about it. It's not at stake. Okay, Meher Boss, what would you do? Would you give Muralitharan a runner when you know what's going on?
Substitute fielder.
A substitute, sorry. A
Of course
substitute
not.
fielder.
No, hang on. Let's get certain basic things right. Clearly, the Sri Lankans are playing mind games. The sort of mind games that Alex Ferguson plays before a Premier League match or Arsene Wenger plays. Now, let's not forget, on the Indian tour of Sri Lanka, not that long ago, was it, when the bowler bowled a no ball, rather depriving Sehwag of 100? So,
Yeah.
you know, we've had these incidents before. And while the ambassador is very nice to say this is a lover's quarrel, the history of India and Sri Lanka go back a long, long time to mythology. So we can bring on all sorts of quarrels that have taken place. I think the simple fact is that if the Sri Lankans are playing these mind games now, then they probably sense a certain weakness in their side. And as far as Muralitharan is concerned, as far as I can remember from his history, every match he's gone into, he's always said he's been injured and not properly fit. So I think that's a very old story. So I think the problem is the Sri Lankans have recognized that their bowling worked very well, having played all their matches in Sri Lanka, not having ventured outside their country. For the first time, they're venturing outside their country in the final, and I think they have doubts as to how good their bowling will be against
No,
the
we
Indian
played
batters.
we played New Zealand game in Wankhede.
They
We played in New Zealand game in Wankhede,
Last
first round, and we did well. We got
Exactly.
them New Zealand out for about 130 runs, get them all out. We played New Zealand game before.
In
Exactly.
fact, they have played at the Wankhede. India
I
has not
watched
played a
that
game
match
at the
ball
Wankhede.
to ball, yes.
India has not played a game at the
Yes.
Wankhede. Sri Lanka has. So
That's
they
a bit
know
of an
this
advantage,
ground.
yeah.
They have played and beaten New Zealand comprehensively.
Comprehensive.
I like the phrase,
And
however. that-
Sangakkara got a very fantastic century.
Yes.
Sir,
yes.
I like your phrase, lovers, what do you call it, lovers stiff. Boria, what
Lovers
is going to
quarrel.
be the lovers stiff between Yuvraj Singh and Kumar Sangakkara? Knowing how much we know, how much they love each other, in Kings 11 Punjab, what kind of a lovers stiff will happen between them on Saturday?
There's no love
Sanat?
between these two. I mean,
Come on, Sanat. Come on, Sanat. You don't have to be so diplomatic.
No, that's no love. There's no love.
No love.
There's any cost. India wants to win this game. I know. Any cost in Sri Lanka wants to win this game.
That's how we like
That's
it.
it.
That's how we like it. That's the way.
And another World Cup
That's
final
right.
should be like that. Let's not make it any
Yeah, both- both the-
trivialize it. This
Yeah.
is the ultimate of any cricketer's dream. They will be immortalized in both countries, will become super icons. All of us will sort of, this will be a picture postcard moment for Sri Lanka and for India. So nothing to do with love.
No, I think I look at it this way. I mean, this is our chance to tell once again we are the cricket superpower.
Oh, absolutely,
Sure. And so,
Absolute
so,
cricket
so
superpower.
for Sri Lanka. So
And for Sri Lanka, to show that they have it in them to be a superpower, despite being the late entrant.
2007 they have made the finals. 2011 they have made the finals. They're already making a statement.
So in historical terms, Arun Lal, put this contest in perspective.
Huge.
If,
It's beyond even dreams. This is yes, it's something like a cricketer can't even imagine or begin to imagine. I doubt whether certain niceties are going on in their minds. It's all about strategy. I'm not saying that they'll bend rules or they go beyond them. I know that these are all champions out there, but they will be strategizing. They will be trying to eke out every 1%, 0.5% advantage wherever they can. And I'd be amazed if any captain doesn't put up a stiff resistance to allowing substitutes for already established injured players.
And I want to say here,
On either side. I mean, it's not
Absolutely.
only Dhoni. I mean, tomorrow.
both sides got
both
injured.
sides, same.
Both sides got a lot of
Same with
injuries.
Ashish Nehra.
Ashish Nehra, you got a finger fracture. Now, if India plays Ashish Nehra and suddenly gets him to goal.
Gautam Gambhir got a hamstring
Gambhir,
problem.
hamstring problem.
you know,
Will Sri Lanka
when
now?
it comes to that national prestige, and he's so right about Muttiah, they are not going to. No niggles are going to hold you back. There were enough niggles in the semi-final outing against in New Zealand, but he came out and played. Now tell me, Sanath, because I think we are so fortunate to have you in the run-up to this big game. What do you think is India's Achilles heel? What is their weak point? What come on, tell us how the Sri Lankan strategists will think.
What
Biggest weak point for India.
biggest weak point what we were always thinking about the bowling was the
We
not
know that.
up to that we know that they are not up to that mark. So our batsmen will think of not a big way. We just go to basics all the time. I know Dilshan will go after bowling for sure. We might get some runs, we might not, but we want Upul Taranga to bat throughout the inning much as possible, 25 to 30 overs. If Upul Taranga is holding from one end, that means we keep rotating the strike. So we are not looking in a big way in this particular ground. We just think about a 260, 270 runs on the board all the time. We are not go beyond those terms, and we know that our bowling is good. We can defend. So that's the area I'm looking at it, because the bowling is the weakest side, little bit weaker side in India's side. But the fielding has been improved for the last game.
2 games.
Yeah, Arun.
Okay.
Especially the last game.
No
But
Angelo
that's
Matthews.
yeah.
No Angelo Matthews.
Yeah.
Does
No
Vas
Murugan.
play?
I don't think
If you're
Vas will
captain,
play.
does Vas play?
No, I don't think will Vas play. I don't think will, because I'm going with Nuwan Kulasekara. Nuwan Kulasekara knows these conditions here, because the last New Zealand game, he bowled beautiful. He bowled really well, and he swing the ball in, and it gives right-handers a lot of trouble.
And he's got good record
Because
against
Sehwag, Tendulkar, ball coming in, we know that it's a bit of weakness. We know that. We have been playing a lot of cricket. We know that ball coming in is not easy. The left armer also, what we're trying is ball coming into all the right-handers. We know that those areas where we are looking at it. So the Nuwan Kulasekara is the ideal bowler for us earlier on for Sehwag and Sachin.
You're dying to be there, aren't you? You're dying to be there.
He's said
Your
that.
eyes are gleaming. So there are a lot of people who would want to see you there, because we know your aggression.
He
We
went
know the
back
way
to
you played the
Colombo in
game.
the middle and actually trained at the nets and came back.
Yeah, because I was in the part of the 30th
Yes.
squad. So I've been training, and even here I got a schedule to do it in the gym
Yes.
and training. So you need to do that. When you're on the 30-player squad, you need to do that. Keep doing that. So I've been training, and I've been doing this normal schedule what I've got from.
Well, we're so happy to see you in form. Sanath, it's a privilege to have you tonight joining this debate, and Your Excellency, thank you very much. Boria and Arun Lal.
Thank you.
What a game. Cricket is on everyone's menu.